Hey, what's up gang? Chip here with another PEDALQUEST tip. This is the MUTRON Octave Divider that I made. It came from buildyourown.clone.com, BYOC. The kit was complete, it was nice. I did order my own knobs, but all the switches and LEDs were included, including the pre-drilled enclosure, jacks and DC jack there. Of course, I made my own artwork, which I did in the same style that I've done all my pedals. I use a photograph of the original pedal and then I kind of Photoshop it into place on top of the on top of this enclosure. It's not exactly how it's supposed to look. Funny thing, I posted the picture of this on Facebook and a friend of mine was like, "Oh, I have a friend that works at MUTRON. I'll show it to him." I'm like, whoa. So they weren't really impressed. They're like, yeah, it looks like a knockoff. Well, it is. It's a clone. Somebody copied the circuit and now they're offering these build your own clones. Well, I don't plan to sell this. I can't afford the actual MUTRON. I'm a hobbyist. So I hope you guys in MUTRON don't mind. It's out of respect, and I know this isn't as good as an original MUTRON. Anyway, it came out really well. This thing has two switches. One is for ringer on off, which kind of adds a ring modulator type sound. It's always like an upper octave. Comes through a little bit kind of like an old modem. The stabilize function is super nice. I think I usually leave it on. It just seems to keep the sound from being so warbly, but sometimes turning it off is extra cool. I mean, also this thing can really only handle one note at a time, so that's why it's sometimes extra cool to play a double stop or a chord, because it's just gonna sort of like freak out. And then it's got the tone controls, which are really responsive, and you can have the effect on, which is a mix of your original sound with the lower or upper octave. If you add the bass only button, then it's only going to be the lower octave. So it's like basically turning a guitar into a bass, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I think it came out nice, and it's one of my favorite pedals to play with. Let's see some demos. thanks for watching. I hope you guys make your own pedal like this, and you know, comment below, like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you think this is helpful information or what you'd want to see in the future, or if you've made a similar pedal, let me know how it went for you.